Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to walk you through the complete installation process for Node.js npm step by step. So stay focused and let's begin. So first, we'll search for download Node.js. Now we will get a link for download and install Node.js. We'll click on it, open it, then we will select the latest version of the LTS. Like as you can see, this is the latest one, 22.18 for Windows. We are going to install for the Windows, and as you scroll down, you can see the pre-built Node.js for Windows, also for Mac, Linux, AX. We are going to install for Windows for 64-bit, as my system supports 64-bit architecture. So let's install it now. Okay, so I've installed it now. I installed twice, so let's delete the previous one. This is the latest. So let's begin the installation. Node.js. Okay, so it will give you this. Welcome to the Node.js. Okay, next. You will click on this checkbox to accept the terms and conditions, then click on next. Okay, so this is the location where the Node.js will like folder will be. There you can also change the location according to you, but I will let it remain as it is for now. Then click on next. Okay, so this is the custom setup with Node.js runtime. Like this is the core component which install the Node.exe to run the JavaScript command lines. Then second is the code pack manager, which is an optional one, so you can leave it. Then third is the npm package manager. This is for the to install the npm packages like Cypress. And third is the online documentation, like it adds shortcut links to node.js docs. And last is to add to path, so it adds node and npm to your system's path, so you can run them from any terminal or command prompt. Okay, then click on next, and this is a checkbox which is not necessary to be clicked, so we can just proceed with next and then install. Okay, so I have a security password to be entered. Installation will start. Okay, just entered the wrong password, I guess. Okay, so now it's begin to install. It takes approx 1 minute or even less to be installed. Okay, so I guess it is installed successfully. Now we will click on finish. We will open the command prompt. Okay, on the command prompt we will type node So as you can see, you can see the version of the Node.js as 22.18. Then let's see for npm version. Okay, so the npm version is 10.9.3. It is also installed. Okay, so this is the overall installation process for Node.js and npm. Thanks for watching this video, and if you liked it, then don't forget to subscribe and comment me if you are stuck in any step. Okay, bye.